This is the first time Helen is feeding herself. Let's see. What's today? May something. May 8th. Baby. She's eating Greek yogurt and bananas. Wow. Poor little baby. Look, she bumped her knee in hardcore. It's like bruised down to her temple. She was walking around holding a little phone this morning and wasn't watching what she was doing. She had her hands full, and then she fell face down on the wood floor. And she cried real hard. Anyway, wow, what a triumph. Look at the baby. Good girl. Are you scooping it up? Wow.
Good job, Miss Helen.
Papa, will you get her cloth, please? Wow. Cold. It's cold.
Uh-oh. Well, use your spoon, hon. Come on.
Please use your spoon.
Use your spoon, please.
Oh,
Thank
God.
you. You gotta dip it in like that.
Man, look at. Oh, yeah. Oh, good job. Good girl. Okay.
Good job. Keep dipping your spoon in, hon. It's much more effective than your fingers.
It's better to use a spoon. Can you suck your fingers off there? Just lick that yogurt off. Oh, man. Good. Yeah, good, baby. Oh. Here. How about if I help? Can I help a little bit? Here. Nope. She's like, nope. She puts her fists together and says, nope.
No, you don't.
I want to do it myself. Are you... See that defiance? She's like, no. She's shaking. Don't you dare take it away. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh, God. Okay.
You created a monster.
All right. Okay. Okay, we're all finished. Yay! Okay.
Good job.
Whoa. Oh, God. Okay. You've had enough. Jeez, look at her. I'm horrified. Okay.
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo! Party time. Helen Iris. Okay. All right, we're finished now. Thank you. Wait. Let's just think about this a second. Here. Hang on, please.
Oh, come on. Oh, it's okay. Oh, hon, come on.
Wait a minute, you're all done now.
Good job. You did good.
Please hold the baby at bay.
Well, that was a great launch. You did good. You did good. Yeah. Don't rub it in your eyes, okay? Mama's coming. Oh, little big dear.
I know she wanted to keep going and messing about, but she had. Of course, she'd been eating before I was able to get the camera on.
Say hi, Hollywood.
Lean forward. Let's rinse it. Bring your little hand up here.
Helen, what sound does a cow make? Mmm. Yes, a cow. Chicago. What? What was that? Chicago. Yes, you're right, a quail. Ribbit. Yes, you're right, a froggy. A doggy, you're right. Yes, a doggy. Oh, please, that's not a frog. You know that. That's silly. Quack. That's not a frog. Quack. Of course it's a duck. Of course.
That's the moon. Because
That is the moon, because who is howling at the moon?
Who howls at the moon, Helen Iris?
Oh, come on now. Oh, please. Gobble. Huh? Oh, yeah, you're off task right now. I'm 100% off task, I'll tell you.
A wolf.
Yes, you're right. It is raining outside. You're right.
Yep, she said rain.
Do you want to do some animal sounds? What does a doggy sound like? Yes. How about a kitty cat? Yay, good job. What does a turkey sound like?
That sounded like a chicken. That sounded like a quail.
And what about this? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
No.
That's a rooster.
Who makes this sound? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Quack. No, quack. What is that?
A chicken, she said.
Yes, good job. Ribbit. A frog, yes.
Chicken.
Good job. Well, that's a chicken, you're right. What's this? Cheep. You're right, a baby chick. Quack. Hey. Can you say hello to everybody out there? Hello. Say hello. Say hello. I love you. I love you. Yes, it is raining outside.
I love you. Say love you. Rain, rain. Yep, it's raining. Say love you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye. I love you.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye. I love you.
Bye-bye. For God's sake.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Thanks for
Bye-bye.
saying it.
Bye-bye.
Oh, good girl.
Bye-bye.